thanks for watching my channel. Here goes. I'm making another video. Sorry about the footprints up there. I'm making it in my store. There's people upstairs. Before you watch the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and do all the blah things that people do to help channels out. If you are aware of the title of this video, this is basically a video on a Honda Big Red 250 ES tank. I didn't buy I think there's two versions of a tank, the ES and I don't know, I don't own the other bike, so I didn't buy one. And basically this is the tank. You can see it in here. I posted pictures on Facebook and the Honda Hoarders thing about my new tank. It's, from what I was told, or from what I read, not told, it's the exact same gauge as the original Honda tank. It wasn't stamped from the top. I guess it was stamped sideways and then seam welded down the middle. From what I read, they couldn't do that. It's got black primer. Tank is inside bare metal, so you would have to, or would probably want to, what do you call it, have it lined. The tank cost, if you go to Serwa tires, you'll know it costs this much in dollars, $100. It's got you can see the seam on the middle. Here's the little thing for the rubber piece. The only thing that happened in transit, I was thankful it didn't get wrecked. This was bent. I'm just gonna bend it back with a dolly. That's no big deal. This one's, I think, got a little disfigured. Mostly, the only recommendation I would have is put some kind of cardboard here so it'll get wrecked in transit. It looks absolutely great. I mean, come on now. Considering the plastic ugly tanks, this is definitely a nice addition to any bike. No, it's not exactly a Honda thing. So, and if you want to know what my impression is, for the amount of money and the amount of work that went into this, I'm impressed. I can't say anything bad. A little dent, it's not a big deal. I can tap it out with a hammer. Came with the rubber. Came bare metal. Thankfully, I ordered some Caswell clear to put in here. That's what's gonna do it. I'm gonna order a new petcock for it because I just like to order new stuff. And basically, this is going on a bike that looks like shit. It's rusty. It's outside. It sits outside. Well, it's going to be sitting in my shed soon if I ever finish it. But it's going on a beater bike. I'm not building a show bike. And for what it's worth, it's, you know, it's not going to win awards. I'll probably do a paint job myself, and I'm impressed. It's not for everybody. Clearly, you know, you could buy a $99 cheap Chinese plastic tank. You can buy a Clark one, which is even better than the cheap Chinese crap. You could fix some of the metal ones and just putty them up. The only problem is I'd like to know what the interior coating on the original ones. I'd also like to buy another one, see if I can actually nickel or zinc. I think it's zinc. They might have been zinc plated inside, but I'm going to be buying a Caswell plating kit, and I want to see if I can tinker with another tank. But for the money and for what you're getting, I'm happy. I mean, I'm pretty sure a genuine Honda. Actually, I think going online, if you look at restored Honda tanks, they're going for around the same thing, and you're either getting some Bondo, some putty. You don't know what you're getting. Actually, you're getting a bare metal tank, black primer, and it's basically good to go. The only reason why I'm doing the video in here is because my shop is a little cooler and this is a little warmer, and I know when you put cold things in a warm shop or vice versa, things tend to condensate, and this is bare metal and I don't want it to condensate. I didn't spray the interior or anything. I'm gonna probably bring my tub of vinegar, since basically I want to fill the inside with vinegar or muriatic acid for a couple hours, whatever. I just want to get the flash rusting out. There's not a lot. Like, I looked in the tank, there is very little flash. There's a couple of spots, but I don't want the rust to stay under there. So I will probably, after I line the tank, I will mount it on the bike to see how it looks. Put the petcock on and get it going. But I have no complaints, other than the fact that I had to stop eating for 12 weeks, you know, to buy this. But no, it's not true. Look, see, I didn't stop eating. I still have 3 chins left. But with that said, it's basically one of those things. If you can afford it, buy it. If you can't afford it, well, can't really complain, because somebody went out of their way. Was it Matt Serwa and Travis there? I don't know if you guys are both owned. I don't know what it is, but anyway, some folks went out of their way and they produced a reproduction for us gurus who like 3-wheelers. And thanks to them, we have a metal tank. I wish Honda would do it too, make some more parts, but I mean, I don't know, why wouldn't they? With that said, I'm impressed. I got a metal tank. After I give it a light sanding or bondo in the middle here, nobody's gonna know. I like that saying. No one's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. At 20 feet away, I'll never notice a reproduction. It's pretty cool. It looks. It's better than those shit Chinese plastic tanks, which I think I have on the bike. And it's not as cheap as a Chinese plastic tank. It's not as cheap as a better quality plastic tank made by Clark. You can put the decals on it, and hey, and I think you got to go to Serwa. I don't know what I don't remember the web address is, but it's Serwa something. It's on their site. I'll try to post it in the link in here. And with that said, here's the tank. See, came with this here. Like I said, this got bent in transit. My only recommendation is put cardboard over this, tape it on here. It's pretty cool. Like, you can look at it. It's not dinged, scratched. There's no major gouges in it. Shouldn't be too hard. Paint it up. Maybe I'll hit over the grinder here, or I don't know. Depends. It might be, but I don't care. I'll see if my cap fits on it. I have several gas caps. I also know if you want to get a new big red gas cap, look up all the TRX models. They seem to be cheaper online. I found a few cheap ones on there. It seems like everything that says big red on it, it's like 6 times the price. It's got the why can't I remember what these are called? I know they're to make it so it doesn't wobble, but I have the thing to do it too. Here's the back end. If you want to see underneath it, you could pause it or whatever. Look at it. That's the side. That's the other side here. Let's see the better. Dog's barking. So anyway, this is the gas tank video. I hope everybody enjoyed the video, and I will probably make a video of me putting Caswell coating in it, and I'll make a video of me screwing up the paint job 4 times and trying to repaint it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and and if you're new to my channel, I make random videos. I make bike videos. I'm not an expert at bikes. I'm not an expert at anything. I just like doing this stuff, and I like sharing all the crap I do with people. So thanks for watching. Thanks for going like, subscribe, and tell your friends. So thanks for watching. Toodles.